I'm Dirty Dan and welcome back to Greasy Boy Customs. Today we're talking about welders. This time we're talking about great entry-level options here for beginners. In particular, this neat little stick welder. This is a great compact unit. If you have a need for a welder around the shop or even in your home garage, and you just have small repairs you need done, you might be getting started and you want to try it out, this welder is a great entry-level option. Now, they were kind enough to send this to me and try it out, so I'm going to show you what's in the box, what's on the machine, and then we'll take it for a spin and see what we can do. So what's included? Obviously, you have the unit, you have your adapter cable, so you can do 110 or 220, which is awesome, and it does come with both of your leads, and it also comes with this nice little wire brush. Now, the unit itself, it's pretty simple. There's not a lot of buttons and switches. You see you do have your control knob. You also have 3 indicators on the side. The top indicator, OC, that's going to indicate if there's a problem with your power coming in or internally in the unit. The 110 is going to indicate that you're plugged into 110, and the 220 that you're plugged into 220. You also have quick disconnects for both of your leads. And just for a size comparison, there's an aerosol can. Again, this unit, nice and compact, easily stored. Put it away, take it out when you need it. It won't be in your way. I've not stick welded in probably 20 years. It's something I never really learned because most of the time I was doing wire feed MIG welding, but I always felt kind of bad that I never really learned how to stick weld. It's nice to have that skill in your back pocket, or maybe in your front pocket if that's what you do all the time. So let's take this thing for a spin, and this is going to be like an amateur using it because I am an amateur with a stick welder. Now, before we get started, just a reminder, proper safety equipment. It's going to make your life a lot easier. Make sure you clean off the area that you're welding and that you have it secured on something that's not flammable. Unlike me with this, 2x4 cart we're going to weld on, it'll be fine. So, again, this is not a welding instruction video. This is trying out the product with someone who hasn't stick welded anything in 20 years. Got the setting on 80 right now. Let's see how this goes. Not too bad. Look at that. It's a pretty clean weld. The next victim is going to be this pipe right here. I'll go ahead and show you. It's pretty thick, stout stuff. We've got it tacked on the other side so it doesn't go anywhere. Got it cleaned off. Our rod is ready. We'll go ahead and we're just going to weld a little patch here on the top and show you how it does. There you go. Not too bad. Clean it off so we can see what we did. Worked pretty good. And I don't think it's going anywhere. Not too bad. Next, let's make something functional. We're going to take 2 pieces of this square, I believe this is 16 gauge, and we're going to weld it into an L shape and make it a hose hanger. Let's get started. It's too much. And there you go. Now we have a place to hang our air hose. Overall, great product. Light, easy to use. I put it through the paces for about an hour out here, welding nonstop, and I had no issues. Link is in the bio. Go check it out on Amazon, 89 bucks. Get started welding today.